Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I was looking for a Christmas present for Becky, just something different to give her. And I was thinking electric blanket. She can either use it inside the camper or sitting by the fire. And I went to BougeRV and they had a Christmas sale. And I think I got this for $89. And right now they're actually on sale for $79. So I probably should have waited until after Christmas. So this is 12 volt. It is not 120 or 240. So let's bust the box open and see what's in here. I'm actually surprised how they got it in this box. This is how it came. So there's a lot in this box. So I think it should have made it a little bit bigger. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, I already have it out, but first is your owner's manual. And this thing has a 2-year warranty for craftsmanship, defects, and the like. Of course, if you mistreat it or use it in a way it's not supposed to, the warranty's not going to cover it. So let's bust this out, get rid of the box. And one thing nice right off the bat is that it has a vacuum seal bag. So you can open this up, put your standard vacuum on here, suck it on down, and it stores in a pretty small area as compared to how big it is. Okay, let's open this up and check the blanket out. And you see it's puffing up. I just squished the air out of it. And it comes in 2 colors. This one is the blue. They also have like a green camouflage. It does come with a carry bag. Get rid of that. And let's open this up. And it has a nylon outside. And then on the inside is almost like suede sort of, I guess, wouldn't you say, Beck?
Probably.
Yeah, it's actually pretty durable. And then the stitching going around looks pretty good. This looks like, yeah, so this material is folded over. So I think that's a little bit better than just having a piece going around here that's separate. And then you also have some hook and loop here. And I can imagine they're on the other side, yes. Okay, the measurement on this is a little over 70 inches long and a little over 50 inches wide. And then you have a little storage pocket here. And then this is where your controls are. Your wire is hooked up inside here. Okay, and you have your wiring hookup and controller. And as you can see, it is powered off a cigarette lighter socket. Some people don't even know what that is, but it's this right here. Okay, I don't know if this is a fuse or not. I don't think so. I think it's just a watertight plug. Yeah, it's just a watertight plug, that's all. And then the controller, we'll bring Becky in here. These are your heat settings, 1 through 5. Now, it's a little confusing how you can tell which is which, but once you really look at it, it's actually pretty easy. And then this has a timer on here, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, which works off of that button. And then you're on and off. Now, to turn it on, you would push and hold for a second, and then it would come on. And then you can work your heat settings by pushing the button after that. And then your heat settings would be, you'll have 1 light for 1, then 2, then 3, then you'll have 2 lights here for 4, and 2 lights here for 5. Like I said, it's a little confusing, but once you figure it out, you're good. Okay, this also works off an app that you can put on your phone. Now, in order to do that, you need to plug it in. So let's get the power pack fired up and we'll plug it in and see if we can get it to connect. All right, let's plug it in. And then we should turn on here. It's pretty bright, but let's see. Yeah, so I don't know how well you can see this. Can you see the light, Beck? No.
Kinda, above 3 hours, and then a
Light
very
there.
light above 1.
Okay, that's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4, which should be these 2 lights here, right? Mm-hmm. And then there's 5.
Yep.
So we're going to keep it on 5. And right now on 5, it's pulling 47 watts. So let's take it down to 1. Give it a minute to balance out here. I don't know if it's the sun, but it's getting hot.
Yeah.
I think it's the sun. The watts are bouncing around on a power pack. I think what it is the sun is heating this up too much that it's not registering. So let's go to 2. Yeah, it's still bouncing around. It's going from 0 to 39 to 40 to 0. So I think the sun is interfering with the thermostat on it. But if we go all the way up to 5, all the way up on 5, we're getting a constant 47 watts. So let's see if we can get this hooked up to the phone and see how it operates. So let's turn that down. Okay, they give you a separate pamphlet just for hooking up the app. So we're going to go ahead and scan it. Okay, we're going to scan the app and get it downloaded for Android. Install. Now it's going to be a minute, so we'll be back. Open. Okay, we got the app downloaded. It actually didn't take very long. So it says to hit search. We got to find search. Okay, the search was actually a little plus button at the top. And we'll skip that. And then we'll go to the blanket. And then on the controller here, it has a timer. You can go to 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. But on the app, you can go up to 10 hours. So you can go 4 to 10. And then you can also change your heat level. So we're up at 5 now. And it corresponds on the controller. And that was pretty easy. So let's see what settings are. You can name it. Bluetooth name, Mac, and firmware. Nothing much there. So except for the extended timer, I really don't know why you need an app. You know, you're sitting there, push this. If you was away from it, it'd be a different story. But it's pretty cool though. All right, so let's turn it off. So now all the lights are off. For the specs, it's a model number EB001, and it's saying that it is 70.87 by 50.18 inches long and wide. It is 12 volt. Current is 0 to 4 amps. Operating power is 0 to 48 amps. We had 47, so that's in line. It's funny, their heating level, it says 1 to 5 gears, so that's kind of weird. Heating timer is 1 to 3 off the controller and 4 to 10 off the app. And then the product net weight is 3.3 pounds. Okay, so I'm going to stand up and wrap it around my shoulders and see how it fits. And then maybe try these hook and loops and see how that works. Okay, I think for me, the hook and loop is not going to work. It will probably work on Becky, but I think it should be a little bit wider. I mean, it's not that bad, but I think it should be a little bit wider, maybe another 6 inches for somebody that's has a little more girth on them. But yeah, it's not bad at all.
Turn it the other way.
This way? There you go, back. The problem is you got to try to get this in here. Is it? Okay. All right. Thanks, Beck. All right. Yeah. Like this isn't bad. Now they do say do not lay on it, use it as a sleeping pad or anything like that, just because one, you might damage the elements in there, and two, you might also get burned. It's not too bad.
Your underwear is in.
We do have a little bit of redneck in us, so just word of caution. All right, whatever. Okay, yeah, so it's pretty good. We're actually going to try it out tonight, sitting in a double chair. And I think maybe what we'll do is we won't sit on it, but we'll put it on the back, and then maybe she'll be able to wrap it over both of us. Maybe we'll see tonight. It's a little too warm now to try it, so yeah, we'll check it out tonight. All right, so we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we're sitting by the fire. What do you think, Beck?
This is nice. This is nice.
So did I make a good choice?
You did.
Okay.
You did.
Okay.
Yeah, this is nice. It's just warm enough. It's not super hot. I like it.
Okay, and we have it plugged into the EBL power pack here, and we're going to see how long the power pack lasts also. But right now we have a propane fire, and I think if we had a regular fire, we would turn it the other way because this is nylon on the outside.
Yeah, the
and
sparks.
I think a spark would come up and it'd instantly make a hole where this inside suede-like material would last a little bit better. And I can feel the heat through here, so I don't think it matters which way you have it, but just to protect it, I think I would definitely do that. Now, here's a suggestion for BougeRV.
A dog-sized blanket.
Lexi would love one. Okay, we plugged it in, and I was going to wait a little bit before we started filming, and Becky said she's already feeling the heat.
Yeah,
so
it was almost instant.
Yeah. Anything else? Dislike or anything?
I can't think of a dislike. I mean, it's the perfect size for 2 people.
I think that would be one of my dislikes. I think maybe another 6 inches in both directions would be a little bit better. But for right here, sitting in the chair with the two of us, it's not that bad. I mean, we're snug.
I like being snug.
Okay. All right. Keep it clean, Beck. Okay, so yeah, I would highly recommend this, especially like after Christmas. If I would have waited, I would have saved another $10. But it's not too bad.
No, I like
Not
it.
too bad. The regular price I think is $120. I think I got it for $90, and now they have it on their site for $80. So I'll put a link in the description. And once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.
She was off.